Hi guys,
How's it going?
I'm back at Nick's Cars with Scars again with Darius.
Hi.
Darius is going to be doing the meshing in the front bumper for us today. So we'll get on with that as a minute. As I said in the blog I did earlier, I'm doing some videos for Nick for his own channel, so as soon as that's up and running I'll give you the link for that channel. But we're still going to bring you the once a month special from my channel at Nick's place. It looks like at the moment it's probably going to be my car that we're working on, though that wasn't the original plan. And also, before we start on the bumper, I've just got to say thank you to a few people, a few of the viewers. Thank you to Mike Carr. He kindly donated the gear change mechanisms to make life easier for me when I put the short shift in. Thank you very much for that, Mike. Also, John Howard, sorry John, got your name wrong, John Howard, who very, very kindly donated 2 leather door panels. So that makes all of the leather I need to finish the interior off, so that very, very kind of him indeed. And finally, thanks to Clive, because we put parking sensors in the front vents, or we're putting parking sensors in the front vents to kind of help protect the front bumper. So thanks for Clive for supplying those. So shall we go and get on with the job now?
Let's get started, yeah?
So let's go and get stuck into the job. See you in a bit.
Two big screws we missed.
Big screws.
Yeah, but whatever, let's rip that off. Yeah. lot of kinds of nice glues. Screwing that bit off around and then black ones must hide somewhere. And it's those. Yep.
There we go, one bumper.
That's it.
This is how you used to make gaskets. You ever made paper gaskets yourself?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. I was watching my father
Yeah.
in the day doing those things.
Another lost skill. You'd be able to, with that, do one and reverse it.
Yeah, probably. It's the
Because
same shape.
that's what I did.
That's the thing about making cars. You need to make precisely same
Yeah.
shape on the other side. Let's see if they did the job. That wrong way or it's...
Quite quickly.
Yeah?
Yeah. Because I found the information. So that's what I'm trying to do. I tried to do it this morning. I've got to take the boat later as well, so I've got somewhere to put it. So that's going.
Yeah, I'm gonna...
Okay.
Question is, does it fit?
Maybe.
Maybe, and maybe not.
Maybe not. Trim. Everything the way we can fit that in. Also rivets, but white ones.
Oh,
We can do the touch-up after.
Yeah.
Once we rivet, we can get mark.
I've never seen white rivets before.
Yeah, what I did here, I didn't go with the rivet all the way down because it will smash the mesh.
Right.
So we just tied up so bracket can hold, and then we're gonna cut that rod steering out. Go all the way down because washer will.
So on that one, oh, that's it. You'll find it. Look at it.
Yeah, looking nice. And when that time go?
Oh God, yeah. I'll tell you, it has gone quick.
Okie dokie. Yeah.
Lovely with the meshing. It gives you the. If they make longer curves, you get extension curves, because these are designed to go in the boot. They don't give you a lot of cable, do they? You think that cable, there's no way that's going to reach from the rear bumper of your car to your dashboard.
Probably.
I don't know if there's a...
It's pointless to cut.
There might be another... Oh, I'll tell you what it might be. There might be like a control module and then a long harness on that runs to the bleeper thing. I'm just going to put it up the back of the dash. I don't know on the bloody flashing light shit.
Yeah. To be honest, it's just that the sound required. That's it.
Yeah, that's all you need, so that you just get a warning if you're getting too close to the bloody curb. It's not other cars I'm worried about, it's the curb. Because it's so easy, you go in a car park and you go in nose first and you're thinking about...
Actually get somewhere on the line probably,
Yeah, about the corner here, this sort of area, so that it kind of protects that bottom corner. Let's say about that one. That
Same
corner.
height maybe?
Yeah,
like
same.
those?
Yeah, same height.
So it's like 1, 2, so somewhere here.
Yeah, yeah, that'd do.
contact can get loosed and then in the bump somewhere.
The advantage of doing it like this as well.
What way you want to drag those wires? Left, right?
Got to the round right. Okay guys, well that's the all the meshing done in the front bumper. I hope you found it interesting.
Yeah, we did it.
Yeah, little more complicated. We tried to make a more professional job of it than the usual, just kind of glue them in thing that a lot of people do. Again, thanks to Darius for doing it. Thank you very much. Very kind. As you saw, there you've got the little sticks there that the holding them in place while the glue on the brackets dry. That needs about 7 hours to dry, and we had some problems with the side indicator brackets, and we've had to put a little bit of glue on those, and we taped those. Basically going to leave them on there till tomorrow morning, then I can remove all of that so it will be set, and then I'll probably try and get some, I'll get it cleaned because it's filthy at the moment. I'll get it cleaned and get some shots of it with the mesh in there all nice and cool. So as always, thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful. Please click the like, please click subscribe, click the little bell so you get notifications of all our new videos. We'll see you next month with Darius, Nick and Cars with Scars, and as soon as Nick's channel's up, I'll drop you the link so you can go and start watching the videos we make with him. Okay, thanks again and we'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.